We are what we eat. Karachi Farmers Market, or KFM, has been formed by a group of like-minded people in order to raise awareness about the food hazards. It creates an opportunity for Karachiites to eat better by fostering a local organic community. KFM provides a platform for responsible producers to have direct market access. Consumers are encouraged to buy fresh, locally produced, organically grown and naturally processed food. Speaking to News Pakistan TV at their Wednesday Alliance Francaise Bazaar, KFM's Maheen Zia stated,
The idea is that we all want to become healthier. We have a lot of prevalence of disease in Pakistan. We're an agricultural country, but we don't have so much sustainably produced produce available for us to eat. We have sabzi mandis, but we don't have farmers markets. So the idea is to introduce farmers market.
Sara Nasiruddin, who handles the marketing part, said,
We have an entire process of vetting all our vendors before they come to the market. We first send them an application form. If we feel they pass the application, then we go and visit them, whether it be a farm, whether it be something they're making at home in their private kitchens.
KFM also promotes self-reliance by encouraging citizens to set up their own small-scale kitchen gardens.